Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change Apple ID password directly on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then at the very top, tap at your name to open up your Apple ID, and right here you can easily find the password and the security. Just tap on that and then hit on change password. Now it asks to enter iPhone passcode. I'll just put in the passcode. And on that step you are able to change your Apple ID password. Just enter new password here and then re-enter it in the second field. Keep in mind that your password must be at least 8 characters long, include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. If you follow the rules and you filled in both of that fields, just hit right here at change to set new Apple ID password. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.